friends, Running Kimono here. We're talking about the hottest clearance over at Walgreens, some stuff up to 90% off, stuff that I've been seeing at multiple stores in the last couple weeks. So I'm just going to show it to you, and when you are in the store, if you can keep an eye out for some of this stuff, if you are interested, I would definitely buy it all up if this is something that interests you. So typically when stuff starts getting marked down with those orange stickers, it's on a Tuesday or Saturday. It's always your mileage may vary, but what's usually happening here in Michigan is the same as Texas, but Michigan and Maine might be completely different. Sorry, I always pick on Maine, but you know what I'm saying? But it's always wise to grab whatever item and ask for a price check and be super nice, and it might be the same price as what I'm showing you in this video. First thing we're talking about is the Liebman. They had a bunch of dusters, pans, brooms, mops. I believe they were at 50% for the longest time, and now it's gone to 90% in select markets. So you're looking for wherever these displays are at the front or in the cleaning section. Ask for a price check. And if you've always wanted like that mop with like the compartment to put the cleaner in, that's like $3.59 right now. I mean, make it happen or keep watching it. These prices always drop. This is the Walgreens brand. They're the smaller variations of pills, and it's just their brand, but I'm pretty sure it's made in the same plants as like Tylenol or ibuprofen. So this is 75% off, and we're just going to go through it. I'm not going to bingo call every single one. And obviously, most shoppers wouldn't grab like all of the fiber mix or whatever, unless you absolutely needed that much. A lot of this stuff has expiry dates, so always be wise with it. Or like cold and flu, that's a really good example. It probably has an expiry date. But a lot of this stuff, if you are in need of it, like multivitamins, different supplements, they're really dropping it down quickly. I think they're going to discontinue these smaller sizes. So just be on the lookout for this. And I saw this at multiple stores as well. Lots of skincare, lots of tanning stuff, 50% off. With digital coupons, IBOTTA, or the different rebates, always scan. Possibly they may come off, they may not. I like to get this stuff with coupons always. Like this one, for example, for $3.79, we had a $3 digital that did in fact attach the one at 12 o'clock, the Aveeno Lavender, and that's a really large size bottle. These ones for $3, I mean, the original price is almost $14. I mean, I wanted all of them, but I also wanted them with coupons. So you have to really pick and choose how you want to do this. If you have a ton of Walgreens cash or register rewards that you can throw in, always the gold standard is if there's an IBOTTA rebate or a coupon. But just be mindful, like walk down that aisle, and if this is some stuff that, you really would like to buy or you use, by all means, stock up at these prices. There was a $3 for the Lubriderm. I could not get it to attach to these either of these bottles, so I don't know what's going on, but I saw these at multiple. And then we have more Aveeno eczema therapy for $4.99. The original price was $20. Jergens, always a favorite. And the knockoff brand, the Walgreens brand for the Aveeno knockoffs at 70% off. At the front, there was this Lesser Evil popcorn, probably the name why it's not so popular. 29 cents a little bag of popcorn. Lots of the Summer Fun in the Sun is 25% off. I think people just generally don't have money to pay the Walgreens prices for these items, so that's why they're being dropped in price right now, and we're only like end of July. Lots of the really cute Squishmallows, 25% off. They have the Harry Potter, Wizard of Oz, and this little cutie pie as well at 50% off. If you want to get these for Christmas, by all means. And a new display I saw a lot of are the really cute Halloween stuff, and they're going with these blow molds, which are a favorite of mine. I love to decorate with these. And then they have the nerd book-like ghosts and cute little things. They've really stepped up their game, but I think the gold standard is at the Dollar General for all things cute for Halloween. Man, look at this display, guys. It is absolutely adorable. Good luck with all this clearance stuff, and go and make it happen, guys. And we will catch you in the next one. In the comments down below, let me know, Dollar General or Walgreens, who has the cuter Halloween stuff? I'm going to say Dollar General. Please don't hate me. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.